In this guide, I'll show you how to recover your PlayStation Network account with no email or password. So the first thing you want to do is open up a web browser and go to Google, and then in search you want to type in how to recover PSN account and go to search. And from here you want to select the PlayStation link at the top, and then once you're on this page you should see the online assistant in the bottom right corner. If you don't, you can scroll down to the bottom of this page and go to Contact PlayStation Support. Then you want to scroll down and you want to select Live Chat at the bottom. Then go ahead and click on Agent Available, and this is going to open up the PlayStation Online Assistant chat. So what you want to do is enter in your first name and last name and go to Start Chatting. Now at the start of the conversation, you will be speaking to a chatbot, so answer the questions as best you can, and you should be able to speak to a support agent where they'll ask you questions about your PSN account, such as previous online IDs, maybe you were hacked, as well as payment methods and more. Now, if for whatever reason they're too busy, or you can't just seem to get an answer that you'd like, you can always look up the PlayStation support phone number. Here's an example of Canada where I live, and you'll be able to talk to a real person and they'll be able to help you that way. Now, as someone who's been hacked multiple times, in my experience, using the online chat can be helpful for simple issues. However, if you've been hacked and everything's been changed, or you just can't remember anything, calling's been better in my experience. If this guide was helpful, like and subscribe, and we'll see you in the next one.